My name is Jamie Clews and I am the Key Account Manager for Metcalfe Catering Equipment. Today we're going to make a nice and simple buttermilk dressing using the MP7 here. So to make this you need sour cream, mayonnaise. We're actually using the vegan aquafabia mayonnaise we've made in a previous video. We're using the buttermilk, which is our waste product for making butter, which again is in one of our previous videos. We're going to add some chopped herbs, some garlic, some lemon juice, seasoning, mix that up using the paddle system, and there we have it. Nice and easy buttermilk dressing. So to start with, we're going to add in some sour cream into the bowl. We're going to add in about roughly equal amount of the mayonnaise. You can use the vegan mayonnaise that we've made here, or you could use a standard mayonnaise. Choice is totally yours. So we're just going to add that in. Then we're going to add a splash of the buttermilk dressing, and this is going to help to just bring it down to allow it to be used as a dressing. Some chopped garlic, some chopped herbs, and a squeeze of lemon juice. And then we'll just mix that on a low speed until it's all fully mixed up, and there we have it. So we're just going to bring the bowl up, close the safety latch system, select the timer as 1 minute, go on to speed 3, which is about half the way, and press it on. So once your buttermilk dressing is fully mixed, open the cover here and lower the bowl, and just taste it just for seasoning. Make sure everything's at the correct consistency that you're looking for. Perfect. And now just chill that to use later. So now the buttermilk dressing has been made, you can simply use this as a dressing on a salad, or I'm going to use it here as a beautiful dip to go alongside my chicken dippers. So there we have it, a beautiful, fresh buttermilk dressing using our Metcalfe MP7 mixer.